Hi, I'm Andrew Clark, and I'm the program coordinator of the Humber College Comedy, Writing, and Performance program. And I've spent this past year on sabbatical working with comedy and also closed captioning, which is something that you don't normally associate with comedy. People use closed captioning. 60% of Netflix users watch their programming with closed captioning on it. Closed captioning communicates information very well and emotion, but it's not always great for comedy. It can hurt the punchlines. It can hurt the setup. So when you're watching comedy with closed captions, you're kind of getting a second version of the real thing. So what I set out to do this year is working with 2 stand-up comedians and 2 sketch comedians. We created 3 pieces of comedy and had it closed captioned according to the industry standard. The next stage will be meeting with deaf performers and creators, closed captioning experts, American Sign Language interpreters, and the comedians to spend 2 days in writers' rooms trying to figure out ways to make the closed captioning funnier, to work with the comedy. Will it be italics, color, placement? We're going to do everything we can to find a whole new approach to the same material. Then we reshoot the material, we use the new closed captions, and we have a screening for an audience of deaf and hearing participants who will watch the material, answer a questionnaire, and do some exit interviews. And hopefully we'll figure out best practices for how to make closed captions funny. Ideally, moving forward, our students, who we will teach these best practices to, will be able to make comedy that's accessible for everyone. That's accessible for everyone in terms of their ethnicity, gender, and accessibility. One version rather than 2. One version rather than for a hearing and non-hearing audience. That's the goal that we're hoping to see down the line. And in the meantime, I hope to talk to you later about how all of this worked out in the end, because we still have a few stages to go through. But thanks very much, and we'll talk to you later.